Hey guys, Bella Rose from TechCity back again with your news update. Are you a developer? Stand a chance to be one of the persons who wins 100 million Naira in prizes at the NaijaHacks Hackathon 2020 event. Details in a bit. Also, Twitter is set to introduce the read it before you retweet it option to its users pretty soon. And Roku Channel app is set to debut, and it may just be rivaling the likes of HBO, Netflix, and DSTV Showmax. Details after this. From October 30, 2020, accredited teams and individuals will have the opportunity to develop creative solutions to address pressing local and global challenges in Africa, the Middle East, Asia, and the Americas in this year's edition of the NaijaHacks Hackathon. Now, this year's virtual event will include 2 days of virtual pitching, workshops, presentations, and workshops with over 100 teams from across Africa. According to Uche Uchibeke, who's the founder of NaijaHacks, NaijaHacks, in his words, continues to work to give Nigerian and African youth the opportunity to start businesses, bringing together creative people and technology industries from across the continent to create solutions for the future of our continent and the world is a global pandemic. Now, here's the interesting part of this whole gist. Participants will have the chance to win over 100 million Naira in prizes and access the Africa Hacks Incubation Program and the NaijaHackers platform. In addition to creating opportunities for young Africans, promising projects we hear at the hackathon will continue to participate in the Africa Hacks Incubation Program to further develop their hackathons and their ideas. Click the link in the description box right below to apply. Now, Twitter is working on bringing its read the article before you retweet it prompt to all users soon. According to Gist, the company in fact began testing this prompt sometime in June this year, and what the prompt looks like is it will show up when you want to retweet a story that you haven't actually clicked through to read. Now, Twitter says its motivation for this prompt is to help promote informed discussions and that headlines often don't tell the whole story and can even be actively misleading. Encouraging people, they say, to at least read the article they're sharing seems like a smart way to promote media literacy and stop some of the knee-jerk reactions that can make misinformation go viral. Now, results from the initial test of the feature, which was limited to Twitter users only on Android, says people that were shown the prompt opened articles 40% more often, and that the overall proportion of people opening articles before retweeting increased by 33%. The company added that some people did not retweet the article after actually opening it up. That's interesting. And before we go, the Roku Channel app is set to make a debut with 115 free TV channels on Android and iOS. And the new app we hear will let you watch more than 100 new free live channels along with older shows and movies on your phone and your tablet. Now here it also will act as a hub where you can watch premium content that you have subscribed on the web for, which are not available in-app, such as HBO and Showtime. Now that app will continue to allow you to control your Roku TVs and streamers using your phone. Meanwhile, the new dedicated Roku Channel app does not act as a remote control. It is just for streaming, they say, and you don't need a Roku device to download and access the free Roku Channel app. It's coming soon, so look out for that. Now, their channel's live content includes news from ABC Live, Reuters, Newsy, and for kids, channels like Teletubbies, Kidz Bop, lifestyle channels like Appetit, and sports by Bein, Outside TV, and starting sometime next month, the service will add more free live channels, including the Lego Channel, Happy Kids TV, Maverick Black Cinema, and a number of Spanish language entertainment options if you like your telenovelas, etc. Outside of live content, you'll also find seasons of shows including Hell's Kitchen, Who's the Boss, and Cold Case. That's all we have time for today on your TechCity News Update. I'm Bella Rose from TechCity, saying see you next time, and please make sure that you like the video, share it with everyone that you know, follow us everywhere on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and please subscribe to us on YouTube. So I come your way again next time. Bye for now.